Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to use Elementor to design your WordPress site as a beginner. So whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or even a student, you can build a site using Elementor simply by dragging and dropping elements onto your WordPress site without writing a single line of code. Let's start. To install Elementor, you need to click on Add New under Plugins, then type Elementor and click on Install and click on Active to enable Elementor. Click on Elementor if you want access to settings for your website, such as for role assignment, system information, license, and even for getting further help. Using the basic features of Elementor, you can drag and drop widgets under Basic, General, Site, and Single. Let me show you how to use these widgets. Drag and drop the heading widget and set the text. Now you can go ahead and change the format and even add some images as a slideshow. I also adjusted the timing and duration of the slideshow. I again went back and this time I added the divider widget. I also changed the style of this divider. As you can see, instead of using the straight divider line, I used the style which appears to be very curly. Again, I added the heading widget and changed the text by editing the alignment and the size. I also added a background color under the style section. I then went back to the content section to change the text color to white. From the widget menu, I added the tabs widget from the general features. The color of the tabs was changed to white. Going back to the content section, I changed the tab names to oranges because oranges have vitamin C. Then I did the same by changing the second tab to grapefruit. You can also add another tab if needed. I named this one to mango. If needed, you can also add text to the space under the tab. In the next step, I added another section by choosing the second structure. Then I added an image by selecting an image from the media library. I also added the video widget to the other part of the structure by adding a URL link relevant to my website's topic. If you're happy with the results, then just click on Update and click on the eye icon to preview the changes of your website. We're not done yet. The advanced features of Elementor include features that require you to use a license. So once you have a license, you will be able to drag and drop the Pro widgets. Another valuable feature is the ready-made template. Click on the folder icon, then under Pages you will see ready-made templates for your site. Just click on Insert to add the template. This saves you hours of design. You can edit the design if needed. There are also Pro templates which are usable if you have the license. If you're looking for small portions of design, then click on Blocks. And you can insert only a block instead of a full ready-made design. You can also save your own template and use them for other sites. So just right-click on a template you designed and select Save as Template, then set a name for the template and hit Save. If you click on the folder icon and go to My Templates, your saved template will be inserted. One last feature is the ability for Elementor to integrate third-party Elementor add-ons such as Envato, Essential Addons, or HappyAddons. Each one of these have new design features and widgets. For example, if you install the HappyAddons plugin, you will get a whole new collection of widgets to design your blog post, WooCommerce store, and so many more. So if you're looking for new design widgets, you can install the HappyAddons plugin. Under features of HappyAddons, you can import templates, use presets for instant design, or add unlimited nesting section and so many other features. All of this is not available in Elementor, but they will be when you install the HappyAddons plugin. We have video tutorials on how you can make use of the HappyAddons plugin to design your WooCommerce store, blog post, and for web design, so be sure to check out our channel. And that is how you can use Elementor as a beginner to design your WordPress site. For more videos on designing your WordPress site, be sure to check out the HappyAddons website and subscribe to our channel.